Hey there, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate custom code into your hosting or website builder. This is super handy if you want to add third-party widgets, features, or other custom elements, so let's get into it. First, inside the website builder, open up the Add Elements panel on the left side. From here, just drag and drop the embed code element anywhere you want on your page. Once it's placed, click on the embed element to see more options. You'll notice you can enter code, duplicate, resize, or even delete it if needed. Now go ahead and click on Enter Code. Paste or type in your custom code, like an iframe or script, and then click Embed Code. That's it, the element will load right on your page. After embedding, don't forget to update your website so the changes actually appear online. Without publishing, your visitors won't see the new widget. Now, if something doesn't look right, there are a couple things to check. First, always use HTTPS links, since regular HTTP might get blocked by browsers. Also, make sure there aren't any extra spaces in the code. If your widget still isn't showing, try clearing your browser cache. And if all else fails, you might want to reach out to the widget provider's support team. And that's how you can quickly add custom code to your hosting or website. Pretty simple, right? This way, you can extend your site with all kinds of cool third-party features. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.